One thing I can tell you as a salesperson that's listened to thousands of sales calls, one of the main things that kills any type of deal is when the salesperson comes across as extremely needy or overly anxious. And sometimes they don't really intend to do it. It just makes its way through the phone. And a lot of it has to do with where that salesperson is mentally. There's a lot of different things that you can do, journaling, working out, writing down aspirations, etc., before you have these sales calls to put yourself into the right mindset. One of the tricks that I always think to myself when I'm doing a call is I'm not trying to figure out if they want to do business with me. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do business with them. And I think most salespeople get that incorrect. They keep showing up to these calls thinking like, oh, I got to do everything right, say all of the right words, ask all the right questions to see if they'll do business with me. And it puts you in this position where you're really sort of fighting from behind, where I would rather go in at an offensive type of position, realizing that it's okay if I don't get business with everybody. In fact, I don't even know if they're a good fit yet. I need to talk to you to see if you're a fit, to see if I want to do business with you. If you make sure that you're telling yourself that consistently, that will help you shred any unnecessary anxiousness, neediness, stress. You'll take that burden off of yourself and you'll just have really good conversations with people. And some of them will close and some of them won't, and that's okay. But the ones that do close are going to be the ones that you want.